will learn the basics of Photoshop. We will introduce the basic tools of Photoshop. For the first, we will take a image here. We can take any image from our computer. Just drag and drop like this. I will select this image. So drop in this. So this is the image. So we will go to the layer. This layer is locked. So if you double click on this layer, then it will be unlocked. Okay. Then we can take any layer. Then it drag it under the image. So I will click on the image layer. Then we will go to the toolbar. The first tool is move tool. For this move tool, if you click the move tool and drag this image, then the image will be moved. Okay. Then second tool is selection tool. By this tool you can select anywhere of the image by this, and if you hold shift key from your keyboard, then it will a square selection. Proportionally it will be small and bigger. And after selection, if you click the move tool and move the selection, then the icon will be a scissor icon, and it will be cut from the image like this. Okay. Then Ctrl Z, it will be again, and then the lasso tool. The third number is the lasso tool. By this lasso tool you can select according to your choice, like this. Okay. Like this. And then magic tool. By this magic tool you can select according the color. Like if you select the green color, then it will select the greenish type objects like this. And then if you hold the shift key, and then you can select other green objects. This is the magic tool. And this is the slice tool. By this slice tool you can slice the images. It is basically this tool is basically needed to slice web related objects like buttons, banners, etc. And then dropper tool. In this dropper tool there is a foreground and background color. We can change the foreground color by clicking this. Then the foreground color is pink and the background color is black. Okay. We can shift this foreground and background. So if you click the dropper, and then it will dropper and click anywhere of the image like this. Then you click on the green color, then the foreground is green like this. And then path tool. patch tool. This is the another interesting tool. By this you can select any portion of the image, and if you drag this, then where you hold the selection, then it will be changed by this, like this. Okay. Then brush tool. By this brush tool you can write anything, and it will be the color which is the foreground color. The foreground color is green. So if you draw something, then the color will be green. So if you change the color, so I am changing it to the red. Foreground color is red. So if I drag something, then it is red. Okay. So undo this, Ctrl Z, and then it is remove tool. By this tool we can erase anything. Just here it is erasing, like this. So undo, Ctrl Z. So very important thing is, or very important tool is pen tool. If you want to be a graphics designer, then it is very important, very important that you have to use properly a pen tool to cut anything and accurately cut anything. You have to use properly the pen tool. So if you cut the face only, then you have to use the pen tool. Like I am selecting. Okay. Then right button click, make selection. The feather radius will be 10 pixel, will be 0 pixel. Then OK, and it is selected. So if you want to delete this, then just click delete from your keyboard. Then if you want to undo, then Ctrl Z. It is the basic tools to design anything, and I have shown you the layers, and there are many types of basic things, like you can change the color, like go to image option, adjustment, color balance. So if you want to reddish, then red. You can balance by this tool of the color. Okay. Here are another option, filter. Here are many types of effects, like filter gallery. If you go to the filter gallery, then you can see many type of effects, artistic effects. You can do anything here. Then brush stroke. There are many kinds of effects actually. So this is the basics of Photoshop and the Photoshop tool. Thank you.